Hey, what's up, Scorpio? Welcome to the Awakened Vision. This is your next few moving forward. Okay, so we have compromise, so there's something you need to compromise on. Remember that timing energy is fluid. Whenever you fall upon the reading, it was meant for you at the time. Take whatever resonates, however, it fits your situation, and use the information appropriately. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so yeah, we have compromise coming out. Okay, we have looked at the bigger picture. Full moon is Sagittarius. Okay, just a step above what you really want to do. But you're like, okay, I might as well go ahead and do it in order for something to remain persistent. Okay, so you might want to remain persistent on something. Okay, but we do have compromise. Compromise something that you've been persistent in. What do I have to compromise? Why do I have to compromise something? Yeah, why do I need to compromise something? You need to release. You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. You need to release control. I know, Scorpio, you want to control everything. You want to make sure everything goes your way. If it's not your way, then all of it must go. Um, if you didn't have your hands in something, or if it wasn't your choice, um, then you don't want anything to do with it. All right, so there's something about that that's coming through here. Okay, we have look for a sign. Okay, so have you been looking for a sign? What is your sign? What is your sign? Don't stop. So everything's been telling you to kind of like continue to keep going in something, persistency. You're persistent in something. And of course, this could be, your nature, but we have within the next few weeks, I just saw new home or something like that. And then we have within the next few months. Yeah, so timing, forgiveness. Yeah, so there's going to be a lot of changes within the schedule, is what I'm getting. Things being prolonged, things being shortened, like the allotted time for something, and then the time in which you can receive something is prolonged. Okay, but we have forgiveness at the bottom. So I heard something about in all honesty. Yeah, as long as you're honest, Scorpio, about the situation with someone, they'll be okay. It'll be okay. As long as someone's honest with you about the situation, it'll all be good. Yeah, so we have helpful people. So maybe it's you, Scorpio, that needs to be honest. Okay. In regards to the type of help you need, the assistance you need from others. It's going to be important for you for the next few. Transformation. We have the Two of Fire. Okay, partnerships, a partnership here. Planning. progressing. Let's see. Can have some energy for the Scorpio collective at this time. What else do we have for the Scorpio collective? So we have the death card, we have your energy. So you're in this death energy, so ending transformations, changing things up. We have the Ten of Cups. Hmm. Okay, so you're in your death energy right now, and you're kind of like staring someone down or you're staring people down. We have the Four of Wands. Okay, because they're doing something in your neighborhood. They're causing it's a lot of fun, laughter, it's lively, something's lively, an event is lively, a live event, or something about that. But there's like something that you're looking at because maybe you see through something. You see through, you see through, what is it called? It's like you're not wearing the rose-colored glasses, but everyone else around you is. But Ten of Cups also could be like the helpful people. You're rather critical or you're uneasy with the feeling of others helping you, assisting you, because you feel as though they paint this image of, how something will go. But then once we get to the end of something, or it won't go that way, and so everyone starts turning into vultures, or you're just uneasy about something, it seems. It's an interesting energy. What else do we have, please? Yeah, so we have the Five of Swords. Five of Swords with the Ten of Cups at the bottom still. So we have the Eight of Swords and the Two of Coins, and then we have the King of Swords at the end. I heard like a face off. It's like you're facing off with someone. Um, so I'm getting you're going to be good on your feet because I'm getting someone else is clumsy or they're going to make a false move because they're not paying attention, because they're creating this false sense of reality, a false sense of what something is. So it's causing them to become clumsy or those around you to kind of like trip up. This could be trip up on words, trip up on phrases, trip up on thoughts. There are trippy thoughts here. Okay, people kind of like having trippy thoughts or um, what is that called? I'm getting electricity, like yeah, it's, it's like what I'm getting here. Yeah, we have the judgment. Okay, so you want to make some sure that something is known. Um, you're making something known here. You could be posting something online, or this could be a three-way call, the lovers. Okay, so it's kind of like tracing the signal, tracing the direction of something. Um, yeah, so you're really trying to figure something out here. We have the Daughter of Swords, Father of Swords. We have the King of Swords right there. Nine of Cups. So someone wants to invite you somewhere. Someone wants to bring something in for you. Okay, but we have the Nine of Cups here. Father of Swords, Seven of Swords. It's the Four of Wands, please. Chariot. So it could be a Cancerian, Two of Pentacles. Yeah, like I said, but someone wants to take you somewhere. They want you to go with them somewhere. The Lovers. Two of Pentacles. So either one of these could be you. What's the Eight of Swords, please? So the message that you're receiving, it's pleasing you. It's pleasing you. And you want to hear more, or someone wants to hear more. There's like more that's coming in, and you're like, this is not real. Like, this can't be real. It's almost like you're in this energy of ready. Like, if I have to stop something, if I have to end something, then I will. But you are now willing to. It's kind of like joining in on something. Yeah, so we have the Two of Pentacles coming out. So something will cause you to have to be maybe a social butterfly, the Empress. There could be something about your looks, okay? The quality of something. Yeah, so there could be something about the looks, the quality of something. You have to be a little more social, and that's not exactly what you want to do per se. You're more so of a listener, but um, this is kind of like what makes it a tad bit difficult, Scorpio, if you're just the listener in the conversations. It's your stare, it's your look, it's the look in your eyes. So it makes others a bit uneasy. So you're probably giving others that uneasy feeling here. Um, at the same time, there is a quality about you that others enjoy. They enjoy that you don't mind indulging a bit. But this is an energy of indulgence in something. So someone might be inviting you out to a certain event and you're not too fond of the people that'll be there or some just being around people in general because you're like, now I gotta come out of my shell. I have to um, make sure I'm listening while also speaking so they catch my drift or something like that. But then we have the judgments. This could be a conference, Daughter of Wands. It could be like a conference here. Son of Swords this time. What's the King of Swords for? The Star. Yeah, that definitely is about being kind of like out in the light, the limelight here. And I'm definitely getting someone kind of like talking about their journey through something or their progress through a certain situation in life or with a certain situation. I'm definitely getting someone who's ex-military or they've been in the military, a chain of command of some kind. I'm seeing someone climb steps, like they're climbing a step, a tree. Someone's like at the top of a tree, like at the very top. So a hawk or falcon. Huh, Son of Cups. So I'm getting something about applause. There's an applause here. So someone's applauding you for something because it seems as though you are deciding to come out and speak on something, talk about something, discuss something. Um, and I'm getting you're not exactly sure. You don't know the severity of impact that it'll have on others. Yeah, we have the Son of Cups here. We have death. Yeah, there's that energy. Yeah, that is that energy here. So maybe you're a little concerned about the conversation about things you say. It's a little gruesome, or it's sometimes you can say things that would appear to be negative in a sense, but there's still like power in this. What's the death, please? There's still like power. Do I want to? What's this? The Eight of Cups. This is the last time that you're going to speak about something. You're putting an end to it. This is the last time that you will. Yeah, let's see. What's the death, please? Ten of Pentacles, King of Wands, Nine of Wands. Again, Universe, Ten of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. I heard adding fuel to the flame. Yeah, I'm getting you've been nice. You have. Now you're about to finally end something. So no one could add fuel to the flame and cause it to be bigger than it needs to be. Let's start your hair, please. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, Justice, the Empress, and the Princess of Cups. So this is the partnership right here. So it could be a fire sign, maybe Leo, Virgo. You could have Sagittarius, Aquarius, or meeting someone with that. Then also a water placement. Definitely getting the Statue of Liberty right here. The Empress, Justice, Eagle. So someone could be from the East Coast or they have experience there, like the East Coast of um, the US. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, I was about to say that this could be where something is being held because I do see like some travel here. Someone could be taking the train or the plane. Maybe you're watching someone's back while they go through a process, or this could be you. Is there? We have reflection. See all aspects of yourself through the reflection of the one who mirrors your hidden self. Yeah. So there are two people here that are mirroring one another in a way. Reflection, because we do have the two of fire there, and there's a mirror. Observation. Expand your consciousness by observing the divine matrix of life. Who had that, Pisces, I believe? I shine my light outwards for all to see. Moon goddess Diana. It's the image. Scorpio's like, what light? And nothing but darkness, or I like it dark. Yeah, because I just see darkness on all the cards outside, besides the Four of Wands. Um, so this could be your moments. You could be inside doing something, or you prefer to be inside doing something. I can guide and lead others wisely and with love. Moon goddess Hina. All right, I'll go ahead and leave it there. What do we have right here? Grounding. Okay. Perception. Anger. 28. All right. You're like, this is the last time we're discussing this. If you don't put it to rest or allow it to rest, then you will have to face the wrath or something like that. Face the consequences. All right, so I appreciate you all for being here. This was an interesting read for you, Scorpio. Um, if you haven't already, definitely, we'll continue to like, comment, and share. I highly appreciate that. But if you haven't already and you enjoy the way I um, read the energies here, and you connect in a way, definitely subscribe to the family. Make sure you click on all notifications so that you do not miss a thing. I will be talking to you a little bit later, but until then, Scorpio, stay tuned.